feel all the same. Learning, growing, having fun. Inspired thinker, rookie, everyone.
Oh, Kinsey Beth, your shoelace is untied.
Good catch. I'll tie it.
Wow, you're really good at tying your shoes. Do you remember how you learned? I sure do. Watch me. First, I cross my shoelaces to make an X. Next, I pull both laces nice and tight. Then, I make one bunny ear. Now, I wrap the other lace all the way around the bunny ear. Next, I push another bunny ear through the little hole. Last, I pull both bunny ears tight and my shoe is tied.
Great job! It gets easier every time you practice.
Remember, everyone learns at their own pace. Just keep practicing.
Practice helps us learn something new every day. That's what inspired thinkers do! It's time for the Inspired Thinker Pledge! Today will be an inspiring day. I will make inspiring choices.
I will encourage others to make inspiring choices.
Together, we will be inspired thinkers! See you next time, rookies!
Together we will be inspired.